Hey guys, it's me, the Gamer Mike. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to download mods for Minecraft. So first go onto Google and download Forge. You'll have to do whatever version there is. There may not be the version you want. To find your version, if you want a specific one, you can click show all versions and choose the version there. But if you want just your basic 1.14 whatever, go up to the top left where it shows the versions, click on the one you want. There's a bunch, just click on the one you want and then you'll see this. You may be wondering which one to pick because, well, you might not know. You gotta click click, wait for it to download. It may say this may harm your device or whatever. Click keep, and then once it's downloaded, click open. You'll need Java for this, Java runtime environment, but you should already have that. When it's downloaded, it will look a bit like this. You gotta go up and click install client, make sure it goes to your .minecraft folder and click OK. It will take a little while, but because this is my well, I've done this before, it won't take as long. So just a moment longer and it should be done. And awesome. Okay, so you'll get this little message. You don't have to do anything, just click OK. Close Google, you don't really need it anymore. Go to Minecraft. Now if this is your first time doing it, it should automatically make it so that the profile you're playing is Forge. If it isn't, that's fine, just go to installations, click on new, and go find the Forge version you downloaded. You can call it whatever you want. I'm just going to call it Forge for simplicity. Click create, and then if it's not at the top, scroll down to the bottom and it should be there. We're not going to play it just yet because we don't really need to yet, but yeah, just check there's everything on it. Go back to Google, find the mod you want, so Forge 1.14.4 mods or whatever version you got. We're going to this list here. I'm going to do the just enough items mod because that's quite a basic one, and some 1.14.3 mods work on 1.14.4. You'll just have to find which ones work for which. So you'll get something that looks a bit like this if you use the same website. Scroll down, there'll be screenshots, videos, whatever, but now there'll be downloads. So go down, there should be your download. It will say the same thing. Make sure it's a .jar file. Now once you downloaded that, you can close down Google or minimize it. Click Windows and R and type in percentage app data, no caps, no spaces, and then percentage. Click on .minecraft, go down to mods, there, go to mods, and I don't know why that's in there, but you'll have something that looks a bit like this. It should be empty if it's your first time. It may have some folders or whatnot, but it should be empty. Now if you go to downloads where you downloaded the mod, drag it into your mods file, and then you're ready to go. I'm just gonna delete this one that's in here because I don't need it. Okay, so here we are in Minecraft. You can see it's all loaded up, 1.14.4, and you can see the mods work. We've got all the different items and what have you. And there's no extra ones, I believe. But yeah, you can see it's all worked, which is quite cool. There's another way to do to get mods, which I'll show you now, but it's more mod packs than mods. Anyway, let's do it. Okay, so here's one of the mod packs I've got with Technic launcher, which is what I'll show you in 2 seconds. But you can see it looks a lot different. It's an older version and there's a lot more mods. So we'll wait for it to finish loading all the mods. And you can see, hold on, if I go to, actually, let's do a creative. Wait, no, I'm gonna go back, show you quickly. There's 20 mods, it says. 20 mods loaded. That is though including the mods to help it code. We've got inventory tweaks, just enough items, world edit, wireless edit, a bunch of stuff. And yeah, let's create the world and I'll show you it. So let's see. I'm gonna do amplified because we can do more on amplified. Anyway, here we are in it. It's a little bit laggy, but it should. There we go. It's smoothened out. You can see there's a lot more items. There's 43 instead of, well, I think it was 19 before. And I do have world edit, which I'll show you in a second if you want to see it. You can see there's new redstone stuff, new bricks, new. Oh, I spotted. Oh, that brick looks nice. Huh. Right. Yeah, and you can see in the actual inventory there's different levels. Oh. Shapes. I've spotted a sphere in Minecraft. We can get a sphere in Minecraft. And oh. It's crashed. That's no good. Oh no. We've crashed. Okay, anyway, I'll show you the Technic launcher. You can just download it from their website. You do have to have a Mojang account, but you should really if you're gonna play Minecraft. You search up mods you want. So let's say I want TNT. You can search that up. There's a bunch. You just click install. They've got different versions, and to play them, you just click play. Very simple. And yeah, that's about it. So if you did enjoy this video, please let me know in the comments below. I've had a lot of fun, well, making it, and yeah, I'm gonna hope to do more videos like this, more tutorials, but also more Minecraft videos. I like Minecraft. Anyway, I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.